Hey YouTube, hopefully you can see me. Some dude in a U-Haul just sideswiped the truck.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
I'm gonna first show you the footage and then, yeah, we'll talk about it. So here, watch this.
What's your emergency?
Yeah, I'm driving behind a U-Haul and it sideswiped me and they're not stopping. So I'm trying to, like, I don't know if that totally qualifies for emergency, maybe.
They're what? And what's going on with them?
They hit my truck. They moved.
Oh, they hit your truck? Okay.
And they're not
Let me
stopping.
transfer you Highway Patrol.
Okay.
I'm transferring Highway Patrol. Stay on the phone.
Okay, thank you.
Highway Patrol, the Dallas Main speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm driving on I-10 and a U-Haul. They hit my truck and they're not stopping. They're also driving very erratically.
Okay, alright. Don't follow them. If you want to report, you are going to have to pull over and wait for a trooper.
Oh, okay. Alright, can I, like, tell you the license plate or something real quick? Just so
Yeah, is it a Florida tag?
1 second, let me get a little bit closer. It is a...
Only if you can do so safely, okay?
Yes, ma'am. It is, I can't tell if it's Florida. It's, AG29432 is the plate.
29432. You said A as in Alpha, G as in Golf, 29432?
Correct.
What kind of vehicle is it?
It is a U-Haul rental truck.
Okay, U-Haul. Alrighty.
And
Okay, now,
like,
don't follow them any further. Let them go.
Okay, they're also, like, kind of swerving all over and changing speed.
Yeah, just let them go. Don't keep following them. We don't know, if they have any weapons or anything like that. So, do you know what mile marker you're at?
Let me see. Here we go. 156, and I'm heading eastbound.
Okay. If you could go ahead and just pull over to the side of the road there. Are you injured at all, sir?
Sorry, am I what?
Are you injured at all?
No, not at all. Would it be okay if I went to, like, the next exit just because I don't want to be on the...
Yeah, if you want to do that, yeah. Yeah, you can do that, sir.
Okay. He might be drunk or something because he is all over the road.
Okay.
Looks like there's an exit at 158, Lake Seminole. I'll pull off on that one.
What vehicle are you in, sir?
I'm actually in my friend's truck. So that's going to be a fun phone call.
What kind of truck?
It's a diesel Dodge Ram. Wow, he just moved. He is all over the road.
What kind of, what color is it?
It is a black truck. Yeah, he's actually getting off on this exit too.
Okay. Alright, well, so you're getting off at the 152. Are you going to pull into, like, the nearest gas station?
158. 158.
158, okay. I'm sorry about that one.
Yeah. Should I not follow him, or what should I do?
No, yeah, don't follow him if he's, if you have any reason to believe he's acting suspiciously, or you don't feel safe being near him.
Then take the ramp to
Okay.
Tallahassee.
I don't see any gas stations here.
Yeah, I don't see any either. I'm looking on Google Maps. If it's possible, do you know if you exited on the northbound side or the southbound side?
I should be on the south because I was heading east.
Okay. If it's possible, if you could just pull off to the side of the road as close to the interstate as possible, that way my trooper can just ride down and see you.
Okay. Yeah, there's looks like a entrance ramp. I'll just park on the entrance ramp on the other side. So I'm on the on-ramp to I-10 east. I just pulled off on the other side. I don't know if there's any significant damage or not. I know my mirror's folded in. So yeah, the guy was driving erratically for quite a while, and I went to go pass him and he just sideswiped me. So I just went out and checked it, and it looks like there's only some scratches on the mirror. I think the truck doesn't have any body damage. I called the police and they basically said not to follow them. So now I am just waiting for the police to come because they want to do a report. So I guess I'm gonna get a police report. Might as well, just in case, insurance stuff and whatever. So there's the damage. You can see scratched it up, and then it also kind of like peeled the paint off the edge of it. Yeah, it's not so thankfully it doesn't look to be very significant. I don't see any other damage anywhere else along the truck. What an annoyance. They sent a police Mustang. It's actually a Mustang. That's kind of cool. Anyway, he's just gonna give me a case number. Well, he basically said it's too insignificant of damage to really do anything, so he's not really doing anything. Okay, we made it to the Shell station that we're gonna actually be sleeping at tonight. So with this whole incident with the side view mirror, when the U-Haul first hit me, I didn't realize it hit me, so it was kind of like, did it actually hit me? And then I noticed that the mirror was cocked in, and that's when I was like, crap. So I tried to get them to stop, and they wouldn't stop, and I tried to put on my hazards, they wouldn't pull over. So anyway, I called the police because I want them to stop, and the police were like, don't follow them, so I didn't. And then when the cop finally showed up, he's like dismissive of the damage. He's like, I'm not gonna spend a bunch of time on this, it's $1.50 in damage. I'm like, I hear you, man, I hear you. It's not my truck, had to get it for insurance purposes. So whatever, like, cop was a little bit grouchy, but I understand. He's like, got better fish to fry than dealing with that. What a crazy day it's been. Anyway, we're gonna fill up and then call it the night.